Welcome to Techietalkee. Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to explain about the bitwise shift operators in Python. They are the bitwise left shift operators and the bitwise right shift operators. The left shift operator is denoted by double lesser than symbol and the right shift operator is denoted by double greater than symbol. The bitwise shift operators do not need any truth table as such because it is only going to shift or move the bits to either left or right. Shift operators needs two operands to perform the shift operation. One operand is the actual value on which the bitwise operation has to be performed, and the other operand is only going to specify the number of places to be shifted. Now let me show you with an example in Python. Here I have two variables A and B, and A is holding the value of 4 and B is holding the value of 2. Here I'm going to do a bitwise left shift operation. So I'm giving here A left shift operator B. If I execute this code, let's see what result I get here. So I'm getting the result to be 16. Now how am I getting 16 here? Let me explain you in detail on how the left shift operation works. And this is what we are doing here for left shift B. For that, first we need to find out the binary value of 4. So the binary value of 4 is 100, and we already know that to get the binary value, we'll have to keep dividing it by 2 until we get the remainder to be 1 or 0, and then we'll have to note down the values in the reverse order. So the binary value of 4 is 100. Now I'm going to do a left shift operation on 100 and I'm going to move it by 2 places. This is the binary representation of the number 4 in the digital system. So we have 100 here. So if I do a left shift operation by 1, which means I'm going to move by 1 place to the left. So what happens is this 1 will move 1 place to the left, 0 will move 1 place left, and this 0 will move left. And this is what we'll get after moving it by 1 place to the left. 1 0 0 0. But the actual requirement here is to do the left shift operation by 2. So we'll have to do the left shift operation again. These binary values will get shifted to the left by 1 place. So it is 1 0 0 0 0, which means we are adding 2 zeros to the end of this value. So that is why we are getting this result here. Next, we need to convert this binary value to integer. For that, we have to multiply it by 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and so on. So first, I'm multiplying the 0 with 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 is 1 and 1 into 0 will be 0. Next, I'm multiplying this 0 with 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 2 into 0, which will be 0. Next, I'm multiplying this 0 with 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4 and 4 into 0 will be 0. Next, I'm multiplying this 0 with 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8 and 8 into 0 is 0. And I have this 1 here, which I'll multiply with 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. So 16 into 1 will be 16. And the final integer value will be the sum of these values. So it is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 16. So it is 16. And this is the same result that we got in Python. Next, let's look at the right shift operator. So I have the value of A to be 5 and B to be 2. And I'm going to do 5 right shift 2. Let's execute this code and see the result. So I'm getting 1 here. Let me explain you how we got 1. So this is what we are doing here. So for that, first I'm going to convert 5 to a binary value. Binary value of 5 is 101, and I'm going to do a right shift operation on this 101 by 2 places. So what will happen is I have this 101 here. If I move it to the right by one place, I'll get 10. Next, I'm moving this 10 to the right by one place where I'll get 1. Finally, we have the result, the binary value as 1, which we'll have to convert it to an integer value. So for that, I'll multiply it with 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 into 1. So what is 2 power 0? It is 1. So 1 into 1 will be 1. And this integer value 1 is the result of 5 right shift by 2. Hey guys, hope you now understood how the bitwise left shift operation and the right shift operation works. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.